Greetings non-toxic how to clean seekers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects us all, the hidden hazards of cleaning your home with toxic chemicals. Did you know that many household cleaners contain harmful chemicals that can pose serious risks to your health and the environment? Did you know chlorine was used in World War I as a weapon? Chlorine gas is so nefarious, it's prohibited by international law, and yet still approved by the FDA to be used in our water, our homes and offices every day. Before we dive into the strategy of how to clean your home in a non-toxic manner, let's talk about some common toxic chemicals found in everyday cleaning products. These include ammonia, bleach, phthalates, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. These toxic chemicals can cause a range of health issues, from skin and eye irritation to more severe respiratory problems, and even long-term chronic illnesses. Exposure to toxic chemicals in cleaning products can lead to immediate effects like headaches, dizziness, and nausea. Long-term exposure has been linked to more serious conditions such as asthma, hormone disruption, and even cancer.
I used to clean my house with strong toxic chemicals like bleach every day. Over time, I developed severe asthma and had no idea it was related to the cleaners I was using. I've now switched to the Clean Bubble Tech method, and now I breathe easier, sleep better, and experience the peace of mind I search for when cleaning.
Using toxic chemicals to clean our homes and offices not only put our health at stake, these toxic chemicals also have a devastating impact on our environment. When we rinse toxic cleaning chemicals down the drain, they can contaminate our water supply and harm nature. The production and disposal of these toxic cleaning chemicals contribute to pollution and environmental degradation. The good news is there are safer, clean bubble tech alternatives. Yes, with our help, you can learn to use natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils to keep your home clean and fresh, plus have a fun time with the family cleaning the most icky parts of your home and office. By implementing something as simple as mixing equal parts of vinegar and non-chlorinated water in a spray bottle makes an excellent all-purpose cleaner. Then, consider adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like cedarwood. This simple step not only provides disinfecting and deodorizing properties, it can also give what you clean a pleasant scent. Yes, by switching to the Clean Bubble Tech method and our natural cleaning products, you're not only protecting your health but also contributing to a healthier planet. Remember, every small change counts. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tips on cleaning your home and office to live a healthier, more sustainable life. Save money, feel better, breathe and sleep easier, dissolve pain and gain peace of mind. Stay healthy and see you next time. Oh, and for more information on natural, non-toxic cleaning products and Clean Bubble Tech DIY recipes, check out the links in the description below to sign up for Clean Bubble Tech solutions today.